Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction of video ang Kairen, which is PBB Kai and PBB Jaren for today's video. Actually, Jarlet din ako but marami din nagsasabi na kailangan ko din daw i-try or i-check ang Kairen. So, try natin. Tignan natin kung may chemistry ba or whatnot. Since authentic naman yung reaction video natin, wala tayong pinipeke dito. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano daw? Wait. Hinihintay ni Kaisha si Jaren to get her? They're about to leave? Totoo ba? Gwapo ni Jaren. No? Lalaking lalaki kasi si Jaren. Oh, si Therese. I love Therese as well. Wait. May storyline kasi. May storyline eh. Wait, out of respect, dinapat yung camera kay Therese kasi nadaanan niya. Yeah, may nila siya, his eyes showed a flicker of panic. Dear, totoo ba? I noticed he so quickly lick his lips. Yung sa loob ng bahay. Pero nang lumabas na sila, biglang umiban. Nagtampo? Bakit naman nagtampo? Lagot. Nagpapanik na yan. Sporting support na tinapat kay Therese. Hala, nagtampo si Kai. Baka hindi naman. Hindi naman siguro. Ang taray. Uy, nagpa-billboard sila. I mean LED? Wait, this is true? Ay. No, in Jerry Will. Nagpalit silang eksena?
Pogi Kai, that's right.
I don't think they were talking about you, mate.
Okay, maybe expression lang yun ni Jaren.
Pretty Kai.
Natawagin niyang babe. Eme. Cutie.
Pogi Kai, that's right.
I don't think they were talking about
I don't think they were talking about you, babe. Ang ganda ni Kai. Ang ganda ni Kai, sobra. Tapos ang galing yan magdala ng show actually. May napanood ako yung tipong hindi siya na-awkward, sumigaw siya, binati niya yung madlang people. May nakita ko.
A few days ago.
Did you miss me? Oh my God. Oh my God. Ito yun. Oh my God, ito yun. Yeah, I saw that one. I think I like it. Putang ina kayo. Charis. Uy, the chemistry. In fairness, I love the chemistry. You got this guy. Ay, sila palang dalawa ang pinagpilian. Oh my God. Pero napanood ko yan, parang napikon dyan si Kai kay Jaren. Kasi parang si Jaren hindi nagsiseryoso. If I'm not mistaken. Tinas yung abs. Tinas yung abs naman pala eh. Sana all sa abs naka-touch. Okay. In fairness sa kanila.
the one of you or the one of us.
Ay, ganda.
Never mind.
Kung meron ko yung ginagawang TikTok compilation ng mga sweet moments nila, baka pwede nyo naman message nyo ako sa Instagram, guys. Nasa description box yung aking
No, not you.
name ng Instagram or username. Underscore KJ, I believe.
I actually haven't been live lately.
Message nyo ako kung meron kayo so that I can give you my Telegram or what.
Actually, that's a lie. Maybe
week
2,
ago.
3 weeks ago.
A week ago.
No, not a week ago.
Bagay sila kasi mga cool din in fairness. May chemistry.
Ito.
What?
I told them to call you cute.
In fairness, may
We're
chemistry.
looking at the same camera, mate.
Sorry.
Is that your perfume? Smells like trash.
Shut up. I was gonna
Shut up.
compliment his smell
I love
good,
that.
but never mind.
Shut
I knew
up.
you're gonna treat me like
Like what? Nothing.
nothing.
This is...
Ooh, what's this? I've never seen this one.
Jaren, can you tell? Hell nah.
Hell nah.
Shout out Ilo
What's
Ilo.
up, Jaren? What's up, Jaren? What's up?
What's up, guy? What's up, guy?
Opo, kumain na. You eat.
Shout out Angelo. Kyron.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
Who's the beautiful? Who's the beautiful for today's video?
Do you remember what I told you inside the house? Like,
Which what? There's so
wait,
many things.
hold up, I'm not done. Oh my god. Like, I said, oh my god, you know what? I'm looking forward to perform with you
On ASAP.
on ASAP.
Yeah.
Ikaw rin.
I want to.
Why not?
Do you remember what song that was? I said,
Oo nga no.
It's duet, right?
Kasi nilimunod sila, no? Na live sila. Anyways, ito rin na. Ay, no. Maghanap tayo ng mga bago nila. This is new one. Magkasama sila palagi sa live.
Give me a reason to believe it.
Eh, oo nga. Okay. Oo, pansin ko, parang palagi silang magkasama pag sa loob ng bahay. Papa ni Jaren. Seriously, he is so gwapo. Ay, bakit biglang umalis? Bakit biglang umalis? Nahiya?